We now know that there are 3 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Smith County. That makes 4 for East Texas so far, including 1 in Gregg County announced earlier this week. KETK's Annalise Coble explains how local leaders are working to prepare for whatever is next.
Smith County joins the growing number of cities across the country dealing with coronavirus.
We know that 3 cases had recent travel history outside the U.S. They are all under medical monitoring right now, and 1 is seriously ill.
Due to privacy laws, we do not know the patients' genders, ages, or what hospital in Tyler they visited. In light of the new cases, the city of Tyler, along with public health officials, are continuing to prepare for any possibility of community spread, encouraging residents to practice social distancing.
It is not pandemic panic for you to isolate yourself or to reduce the amount of exposure in your community. It's a wise decision, and it, quite frankly, is the only one left to us once community transmission begins.
Tyler area health systems like UT Health and Christus Health say they are confident when it comes to their coronavirus plans.
Whether it's having to do with influenza, simple coughs and colds, infection prevention is something that's standard practice for us, and COVID-19 does not change that.
We've been monitoring and planning for these events for a number of weeks and months. We have isolation areas and protected areas for our patients to keep them safe, as well as to keep our staff safe.
If we see signs and symptoms, you may see our people come in with protective equipment on. They'll be wearing a mask and a gown. They may ask you to put on a surgical mask. This is out of an abundance of caution.
An abundance of caution in a time of nationwide concern. Annalise Coble, KETK News.
The number of confirmed cases has also led to several East Texas school districts putting classes on hold. Most recently, Tyler ISD and Longview ISD joining that growing list, which we have on our website, easttexasmatters.com.